Hi everyone, welcome to Personal Finance Circle. In this video, I'll be showing you a review of the Piggyvest platform. I'll be showing you how you can save and invest on Piggyvest and how you can get better with your finances on Piggyvest. Now, in case you're hearing about Piggyvest for the first time, it is a fintech platform that allows you to save and invest your money and also save in dollars. So if you want to know more about how Piggyvest works and how to use it, make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, before we continue, if you are new to our YouTube channel, welcome to Personal Finance Circle, where we teach you how to make, multiply, and manage your money the right way. So if you love content like this, kindly like and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to share this video with someone that needs it. Now, the first thing you need to do is to sign up on Piggyvest. If you don't have a Piggyvest account, use the link in the description of this video to create an account on Piggyvest. Now, let's say, for example, you want to create an account. You come here to where you have create an account right here and tap on it. Then right here, you'll be asked to enter your full name, your email address, your phone number, your password. You enter your referral phone number or your referral code. And then you enter how you add about Piggyvest. And then once you sign up, you can start using your account. But let's say, for example, you have an account already. You just tap on login right here and log into your Piggyvest account. Now, this is how the home page of Piggyvest looks like. Whether you're using a laptop or your phone, this is how the home page looks like. And right here, you'll be seeing the total amount you've saved. Right here, you'll be seeing the total amount you've invested, and you'll be seeing the total amount you have in dollars and the total amount you have in your Flex Naira wallet right here. I'll be showing you how you can use all of these on Piggyvest. So now, let's say, for example, you want to save or invest your money on Piggyvest. How do you do that? I'll be starting with saving money on Piggyvest. So you come here to where you have savings at the left side of the screen, and you tap on savings right here. Now, if you tap on savings, you'll be seeing that you have different savings plans that you can create on Piggyvest. The first one is Piggybank, the second one is Flex Naira, the third one is SafeLock, the fourth one is Target, the fifth one is Flex Dollar, and then the last one is Pocket App. Now, I'll be starting with Piggybank. Now, for Piggybank, you can save automatically, daily, weekly, or monthly, and then you get 10% per annum. So for Piggybank, you'll be saving automatically, daily, weekly, or monthly, and then you get 10% per annum. Now, for Flex Naira, it is a flexible savings for emergencies, and you have free transfers and free withdrawals, etc., and you get 8% per annum. Now, for Piggybank, you can't withdraw your money anytime. You can only withdraw your money every 3 months of the year. But for Flex Naira, you can withdraw your money anytime, and if you are withdrawing your money, you are not paying for any fee. But for Piggybank, you'll be getting 10% per annum, and for Flex Naira, you'll be getting 8% per annum. Now, the third one is SafeLock. This is where you lock funds to avoid temptations and upfront interest up to 13% per annum. Now, for this means that maybe you have like huge amount of money that you don't want to spend now, but you want to put it somewhere to get interest. You can put it in SafeLock right here, and you'll be getting up to 13% per annum. Don't forget, this is a huge amount of money that you don't want to spend. Now, the fourth one is Target. So let's say, for example, you have something you are targeting or something you want to save for. You can open a Target savings plan, and for these, you are going to be getting 9% per annum. The next one is Flex Dollar, where you can save and grow your money in dollars, and you get 7% per annum in dollars. Now, let's, for example, you want to create a Piggybank savings plan, which is this first one. You tap on it. So this is how your Piggybank will look like. Right here, you'll be seeing the balance you have saved. And if you want to save your money, you come here to where you have Quick Save and tap on Quick Save. And then right here, you enter the amount of money you want to save. So let's say, for example, you want to save 10,000 Naira. You enter it right there. And right here, you choose the location or destination you want to save to. So we are saving to my Piggybank, which is there already. Then tap on Proceed. And right here, you select your payment option. So if you are using your bank card, you select your bank card. If you are using your Piggy Flex wallet, that if you want to transfer from your Flex wallet to your Piggybank, you use this. If you are using the new card or you are paying with bank, whichever payment option you are using, you select it right here, and the money will be transferred to your Piggybank savings plan. So that's what Piggybank, and don't forget the interest rate is 10%. And like I said earlier, you can withdraw every 3 months of the year. So at the end of every 3 months of the year, you can withdraw your money. Now, the next one is the SafeLock. Remember I said for SafeLock, this is where you put like huge amount of money that you don't want to spend and get interest on your money. So for example, this is where you're going to see your balance in your SafeLock. And under your interest rate, you're going to be getting your interest rate, which depends on how long you are saving for. So the longer you put your money for, then the more interest you get on your money. So if you want to create a safe lock, you just come here to here, create a safe lock right there. and tap on it. And right here you pick how long do you want to lock your funds. So let's say you want to lock your funds for like, let's say a year. So a year will be like 1 to 2 years right here. So this is it. So for 1 to 2 years you get 12.5% per annum. So you pick 1 to 2 years. Then right here you enter the amount you want to lock. So let's say you have like, let's say 500,000 naira you want to lock. You tap it and then you enter the title. So let's say for example you want to name it new lock for example. And you pick your payback date, the date you want to withdraw your money. So let's say you want to withdraw your money by, let's say on the 4th of September 2023. That's exactly a year. You'll be getting 12.5%. Now your source of funds is where will the money be coming from. So you tap here. So the money will be coming from your Piggybank wallet or your bank card or your Flex wallet. So whichever one you want to use. So let's say for example you want to be using your bank card, or you want to be withdrawing it from your Piggybank wallet or your Flex wallet. Any one of these that you want to use, you pick. So once you've picked, let's say we want to pick your bank card, you tap your bank card and you tap on submit. And then the 500,000 naira will be transferred from your bank card to your safe lock, and it will be there until after 1 year, and you'll be getting 12.5% on your money. So that is how to use the safe lock. So we've talked about Piggybank, safe lock. Now the next one is target. So I said for target, you create maybe a target for maybe a particular stuff you want to save for, then you get 9% on your money. To create for target, you come here and tap on create a target. Now you can start a personal target or a public savings challenge. Now for personal target, that's for you alone. But for public savings challenge, this is where you can add more people to join your savings challenge and you guys challenge yourselves to save money. So for, let's say it's for yourself alone, you tap on start a personal target. And right here you enter the title of the target. The next thing is to enter the category. So is it for rent or accommodation, vacation or travel, car or vehicle, and so on. So you select that. And then next thing is to set the overall target amount. That is the overall target amount you are planning to reach. And then how you like to save your money. So you choose a frequency. Is it that you want to save daily, weekly, monthly, or anytime. So you pick your options right there and you create your target savings plan. So that's how you can also use the target savings plan on Piggyvest. So it allows you to save towards a particular goal, and don't forget you'll be getting 9% on your money. Now the next one, where you have Flex Naira and Flex Dollar. Remember these two, you can withdraw your money anytime. That's for Flex Naira and Flex Dollar. So let's go to Flex Naira. For Flex Naira, you also get percent on your money. You get 8% per annum. You can see it right here. So you get 8% per annum on your money, and you can save and withdraw anytime. While for Flex Dollar, so for those of you that want to save in dollars, you can create a Flex Dollar account, and also you save in dollars. So if you want to save in dollars, you'll be getting 7% per annum on your money. So this is how you can use the Piggyvest savings plans on the app or the website. Now the next one is, if you want to invest on the app, let's say you want to invest on the app also, you come here to the left side of the screen and tap on invest. Now for investment on the app, you can earn up to 25% per annum on your money, which is actually huge. 25% on your money annually is something that is good. And if you want to see the different investments that are available, you come here to where you have explore, whether on your laptop or on your phone, is the same. Once you tap on explore, it will show you the different investments that are available. You can see that all these ones are sold out. So the ones that are available are the ones on top. And this is the only one on top. So this is the only one that is available right now that you can invest in. The verified real estate investment in Freedom Way, Lekki. So this is a verified project, and you can invest with as low as 5,000 naira. And currently now for this project, they have 4,147 investors. That's huge. Over 4,000 investors in this project right now. So if you also want to invest, tap on invest now right here. And if you scroll down, you'll be seeing the different details about this particular investment. So you can read all of these details if you want to invest. And then you tap on invest now right here. And then you can see you enter the number of shares you like to purchase. Don't forget, one share is 5,000 naira. So right here you can pick, like, let's say you want to buy, let's say 10 shares for example, you pick 10. Then you enter your funding source. So let's say you want to invest from your Piggybank wallet or your bank card or your Flex wallet, like that. So you select the funding source and then you start investing. And also lastly, before we end this video, you come here to where you have your account right here. to make sure that your details are always correct right here. And also you can check the rate that you are going to receive on your investment or your savings right here. So if you tap on today's rate, it will show you all the rates you'll be getting. So you can see as of today, for Piggybank interest is 10%, for Flex Naira 8%, for Safe Lock 6 to 13%, for Target Savings 9%, and for Flex Dollar 7%. So you can also check your account settings, you can update your KYC, and if you refer your friends to Piggyvest, you earn 1,000 Naira for every person you refer. And if you want to withdraw your funds, you tap on withdraw right here. And where you have my card and bank settings, you can add your card or your bank settings right there. You can add your bank details right there. And if you want to reach out to the customer support, you can tap on contact us right here. So this is how you can save and invest on Piggyvest. This is how you can basically use the app. I hope you've been able to learn one or two things. If you want to know how to use the Cowrywise app, we also have a video on that. The link to that video will be in the description below. Thanks for watching this video, guys. We will see you in the next one.